I know I'm not the only person who ever feels like uncomfortable about posting salesy type content on my social media. I have figured out the most perfect formulas to make it not feel salesy, not feel icky, and instead really hone in on that solution-based posting that's going to make somebody want to jump at whatever it is that you're selling. We're going to work on crafting the perfect post for conversions. We're going to start off telling a story about something that you've experienced in the past. So you could start off with kind of how I did. I know I'm not the only person. And this story is going to introduce a problem. After a couple lines about the story, you can introduce your solution with even a call to action. This is how you can work with me, or this is what you need in order to take care of this problem. Next, you're going to let them know the benefits of the solution that you provide. So this isn't the features, this isn't what they're going to get, but it's actually the benefits of whatever it is. After that, you have a place to put your wins, testimonials, people who have gotten results from whatever solution it is that you provide. Telling those wins is a good place to put the features. What exactly are they going to get with whatever this solution, product, or service is that you provide? Lastly is going to be your solution again with whatever they need to do next in order to move forward with your solution.